Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog, Explosion Girls 1, 2, 3. So we haven't vlogged in forever. Let's get in the light. Today we're going trick-or-treating. Look at her eyes.
This is giving me memes.
Wait, can we redo the intro?
Yeah, me.
Bring it up, 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 bring it up.
Explosion Girls 1, 2, 3.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up.
So today we're going trick-or-treating. It's Halloween and we haven't vlogged in forever. Literally.
Nostalgia.
We're already in high school. Different high school, sadly,
She
but
had
like
2 kids.
yeah, she has
I'm
a
a
husband. She's a crackhead, as you can see her eyes. So we're gonna vlog our night kind of, and we have other friends that you guys can meet during the vlog. But you guys already met 2 of them. Maggie's been in it. Isaac's been in it.
Yeah?
Yeah, the one where he's like spreading his legs.
Oh yeah. He's spreading his legs.
And then Aiden. We'll introduce him to you guys later. So right now we're walking to McDonald's right now, because we're a little. Sounds weird. Never mind. I take that back. We're just thirsty.
We had to bleep that out with a bunch of car horns.
Okay.
I feel like we find these things funny.
We're thirsty
We're thirsty.
for water or anything like drink wise.
Yeah.
I
I can only drink water though.
good. I heard that you stopped drinking soda.
My skin looks good though.
I really do
It
though.
looks better.
On a main street now. We're gonna cross. I'm just kidding.
Literally ask my parents, it's so itchy! It's literally so itchy!
Today,
Ew, Martin.
this is a Martin.
We can't post this because like we're
Remember me,
literally-
Whittier?
And, like,
Remember
Downy
me?
kids-
Remember
Downy
me?
kids.
Look
Okay, so we're walking to McDonald's now
About to get some.
Why are you walking like
drinks.
this?
because so
Shout out
yeah.
to Caesar.
Shout out to
My
Caesar.
girl.
Her girl. I've only met him once, but he's really dope. Anyways,
Since a youngin' I've been told them bangers. I might take that little bitch to Topanga. I said stop little bitch, you in danger.
What time are we gonna go?
You in danger. I might take your little ass to Topanga. Just don't move like no motherfucking stranger. No, I told bangers. Boom, boom, boom. Stop you in danger. Take it to Topanga. Rubbing my hand like Jesus and Savior. No, I'm not a Topanga. Say boom, boom, boom. You in danger. Right now you in danger. Stop that now, you